This 2022 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22 MLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Curvels RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, TV, LP detector, external shower, awning, slide-out, skylight, water heater, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22 MLE is 5,176 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Curvels RV.